Before you decide whether NordVPN is the right choice for you, there are 7 crucial things you need to know, especially if you're comparing it to other top contenders like ExpressVPN or CyberGhost. Stick around till the end, because I'll break down everything from pricing to security features, and you'll want to know what makes NordVPN stand out. First off, let's talk about pricing. NordVPN isn't the cheapest on the market, but it's not the most expensive either. Their long-term plans offer a pretty solid value when you compare it to something like ExpressVPN, which tends to be more expensive for similar features. But with NordVPN, you're getting a decent range of subscription options, and if you're looking for a discount, you'll find some great offers online that make it more affordable. And yes, you can try it completely free with the link below. Next thing, servers and locations. NordVPN has over 5,000 servers in 60 plus countries, which is impressive, especially when compared to competitors like CyberGhost, which offers more servers, but with a slightly more limited range. That means NordVPN users can usually find a server nearby, no matter where they're located, ensuring faster connection speeds and more options for bypassing geo-blocked content, which is key if you're looking to stream services like Netflix or Hulu from anywhere. The third thing you need to know is its speed. NordVPN has a reputation for fast speeds, which is crucial if you plan on using a VPN for streaming, gaming, or even video calls. While no VPN will be as fast as a direct connection, NordVPN speeds hold up better than many of its competitors, particularly when it comes to consistent performance. The inclusion of NordLynx, their WireGuard-based protocol, helps optimize speed without sacrificing security, making NordVPN one of the more balanced choices out there. Next, let's dive into security. When it comes to encryption, NordVPN uses AES 256-bit encryption, which is military grade and considered the gold standard. That's the same level of encryption you'll find with most high-end VPNs, like ExpressVPN. What sets NordVPN apart is its addition of a double encryption feature. This means that your data is encrypted twice, adding an extra layer of protection that's ideal for people who are highly security conscious. The fifth thing you should consider is its ability to unblock content. NordVPN excels in unblocking content from streaming services, which is huge if you want access to geo-restricted content. It can reliably unblock Netflix libraries from various regions, and also services like BBC iPlayer and Amazon Prime. Other VPNs like Surfshark and CyberGhost can do the same, but NordVPN's larger network of servers tends to give it a bit of an edge in performance and reliability when it comes to streaming. Now, the sixth thing to note is the user interface. NordVPN's app is simple to use, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced users. The interface is clean and intuitive, with a map showing available servers, and it's really easy to connect with just a click. If you're someone who isn't tech-savvy, this simplicity is a big plus compared to something like ExpressVPN, which has a more streamlined approach, but with fewer customization options. Lastly, let's talk about customer support. NordVPN offers 24/7 live chat support, which is great if you run into any issues. It's faster and more reliable than many competitors, and they also have a comprehensive help center with tutorials and troubleshooting guides. ExpressVPN does have good customer support too, but many people have reported that NordVPN's response time is just a bit faster and more helpful in resolving complex issues. If you're thinking about trying out NordVPN, remember you can get the best deal and a free trial by clicking the first link in the description below. You'll also get access to some exclusive benefits, so don't miss out. There you have it. 7 things you need to know before buying NordVPN. If you're still on the fence, I highly recommend clicking that link to try it out risk-free. You won't be disappointed with the performance and security it offers.